Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel FreeCam. I am Ashu Kiran and I am going to start new topic quantitative analysis and the scale of operations. तो डियर स्टूडेंट अभी तक जो है हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था पिछले लेक्चर में कि एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री होती क्या है और एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस। तो हमने पिछले लेक्चर में बात की थी कि क्वालिटेटिव और क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस होते क्या हैं। तो एक बार फिर देख लेते हैं कि क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस क्या होता है। क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस इज द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ quality of substance means different components present in the given matrices। और इसी के साथ क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस क्या होता है। क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस इज द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ ईच सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट देयर इन। ठीक है। तो हमने जो था क्वालिटेटिव और क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस के बारे में जो है पिछले लेक्चर में पढ़ा था और आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस एंड द स्केल ऑफ ऑपरेशंस। Quantitative analysis and the scale of operation. The important factor which must be taken into account while selecting an appropriate method of analysis. The various type of analysis are there are four type of analysis: proximate analysis, partial analysis, trace constituent analysis, complete analysis. So first, proximate analysis क्या है? The analysis of moisture content, volatile matter, ash content and the fixed carbon. In proximate analysis, the amount of each element in a sample is determined with no concern as to the actual compound present. Second is partial analysis. It deals with the determination of selected constituent in the sample. Samples such as determination of copper in copper ore. Trace constituent analysis. It is specialized instance of partial analysis which is concerned with the determination of specified components present in very minute quantity. And last, complete analysis. In this analysis, the proportion of each component of the sample is determined. Another classification of quantitative analysis is based upon the size of sample. The analytical methods are again classified into following classes. First is macro analysis. Macro analysis is concerned with the quantities of 0.1 gram. Second is meso analysis जिसको हम सेमी माइक्रो भी बोल देते हैं। This analysis measure quantities ranging from 10 raised to power minus 2 gram to 10 raised to power minus 1 gram. Third is microanalysis. This type of analysis deal with the quantities ranging from 10 raised to power minus 3 to 10 raised to power minus 2 gram of sample. Sub-microanalysis. In sub-microanalysis, the sample quantity ranging from 10 raised to power minus 4 to 10 raised to power minus 3 gram. And fifth is ultra microanalysis. It deals with quantities below 10 raised to power minus 4 gram. Next is on the basis of concentration of constituents in the sample. Analysis is again classified into three categories. First is major constituent analysis. It is one which account for 1 to 100% of the sample under investigation. Second is minor constituent analysis. In this type of analysis, the minor constituent is present in the range 0.01 to 1%. And third is trace constituent analysis. Here, trace constituent is analyzed which is present at a concentration of less than 0.01%. With the development of increasingly sophisticated analytical techniques, it has become possible to determine substances present in quantities much lower than 0.01% upper level set for trace constituents. Therefore, a further division is made. First is trace analysis correspond to 10 raised to power 2 to 10 raised to power 4 ppm. Microtrace analysis correspond to 10 raised to power minus 4 to 10 raised to power minus 7 ppm. Nano analysis correspond to 10 raised to power minus 7 to 10 raised to power minus 10 ppm. Subtrace analysis when the sample weight is less than 0.01%. And fifth is ultra trace analysis when the sample is less than 0.001%. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.